English 1, total English. Today is Tuesday. Now you see the date, look at the date, 1st 9, 2020, class 9, total English, page number 108. Okay, so last time we had finished this one up to 4, question number 4, group B. Today we have finished group C. See here, in not more than 50 words, state how duty came above friendship. In not more than 50 words, state how duty came above friendship. Now see here, the answer is Bob and Jimmy, two childhood friends, had met 20 years ago as promised by them. In the darkness, Jimmy, now a policeman, meets Bob but goes away without giving his identity. Jimmy then sends another policeman to arrest Bob, who has become a criminal. Thus, Jimmy keeps duty above his friendship. It has come exactly in 50 words. So, you have to read the passage and read the question. You have to read the passage, read the question, and you write. Then, you will be able to complete. Now, we are going to question number 5. Alright, now we are going to see question number 5. See, as I have told you, you have to read the instruction, what you have to do. Fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. Do not copy the passage, but write in correct serial order the word or phrase appropriate to the blank space. Now say here, first one is of course in the beginning 0. 1 is of course answer is given. A poor Arab was traveling. 0 1. First one you see here. And felt. First one is felt. Second one is feeling. Feeling. Third one is securing. Securing. Fourth one is to taste. To taste. To taste, fourth one. Fifth one, active. Sixth one, had. Sixth one, had. Seventh one, would show. Eighth one, feeling. Feeling. Okay, now we are going to group B. So first one you can say before we go to group B. You see here, a poor Arab was traveling in the desert, thirsty and tired. When he saw an oasis, he drank some water from it and felt. First one is felt. That it was a very sweet feeling. That is what it was very sweet. It was very sweet. Okay. Number two, filling his leather bottle. Filling his leather bottle. Second one, filling his leather bottle with the water. He continued his journey to Baghdad. After securing, third one, after securing an audience with the caliph there, he presented him with a leather bottle of water. It was the only gift he had. The caliph received the gift and drank some water from it. It rewarded the Arab for his gift. All the courtiers were eager to taste the wonderful water. But the caliph denied from the privilege. When the Arab departed, the caliph explained why he acted. Now see, fifth one, acted. Why he acted so strangely. The water in the leather bottle, because of its long storage, had a foul smell. He knew that if the others had tasted the water, they would show their disgust. And the poor man's feeling would have been hurt. And last one, feeling. Okay, now we are going to B. So you have to write down in your notebooks and read novels, read magazines, read short stories, all the books you have to read, reading, writing and talking English. Then it will be very, very useful. Page number 109. See, first one, our stock capital has come B. B1. Has run out. Number 2. This question came dash during the last session of the parliament. This question came dash during the last session of the parliament. This question came about last session of the parliament. Came about. Okay, number 3. We are looking dash to the visit of our grandfather. We are looking forward to. Visit of our grandfather. Looking forward. All right, number 4. Malaria has broken dash in the town. Malaria has broken out. Broken out. Malaria has broken out in the town. Okay, now we are going to 5, 6, 7, 8. Now say here 5. Question number 5. The winter season has set. Has set in. The winter season has set in. The winter season has set in. Number 6. Burglars broke dash the shop at night. Number 6. The burglars broke dash broke into the shop at night. Number 7. The school will bring out the annual magazine. Annual magazine out. 8. The man has not changed much dash the years. The man has not changed.